Hi there. In this lesson, we'll revise all the consonant sounds in English. You can use this lesson to become familiar with the International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA. As we've discussed, English is not a phonetic language. That means that the letters in written words don't tell us exactly what sounds to make. Remember, when we're writing, we use letters. When we're talking, we use sounds. And to write those sounds, we use the IPA. When we're talking about the sounds in English, we need to use the IPA. So it's extremely helpful for people who are learning English as a second language. So here are the consonant letters that we use for writing consonant sounds in English words. The IPA symbols that we'll cover soon represent the consonant speech sounds that we use for talking. There are two types of consonant sounds, unvoiced and voiced. Unvoiced consonants have no voice. This means there is no vibration from the voice box when we make these sounds. Put your hand on your voice box and say S. You'll feel that there is no vibration from your voice box. This is because S is unvoiced. Voiced consonants have voice. This means that there is vibration from the voice box when we make these sounds. Put your hand on your voice box and say Z. You'll feel that there is vibration from your voice box, and this is because Z is voiced. Many sounds in English come in unvoiced and voiced pairs. So in each pair, there is one unvoiced sound and one voiced sound. The mouth position is exactly the same. We've written these pairs next to each other in your speech active notes. As we go through them, pay attention to your mouth positions. Take notice of which sounds feel difficult for you or which ones you think you may be pronouncing incorrectly sometimes. Let's start with P and B. P is unvoiced. B is voiced. The mouth position for these two sounds is exactly the same. The only difference is the voicing from here. Ready? P. Pet. Paper. Top. B. Bet. Trouble. Rub. T. Tim. Better. Hot. D. Dim. Order. Bad. K. Came. Talking. Back. G. Game. Bigger. Bag. F. Fine. Offer. off. V. Vine. Saving. Of. Thin. Method. Both. Then. Other. With. Seal. Missing. Face. Z. Zeal. Crazy. Phase. Show. Pushing. Rush. And now the voiced pair to sh, which is zh. Measure. Vision. Asia. Choke. Watching. Catch. Joke. Charging. Large. Now we'll cover the remaining consonants. These consonants are all voiced and do not have an unvoiced pair. L. Love. Follow. Well. The air comes out through the nose. Male. Humour. Some. The air comes out of the nose. Nail. Funny. 9. The tongue comes up at the back. Sing. Singer. This is a very gentle, quiet sound. It's just a little breath out. Heel. Perhaps. Real. Correct. In British and Australian English, is only pronounced when it's before a vowel. So, at the end of a word is generally not pronounced, unless there's a word after it, starting with a vowel. For example, Karin. We use the to link to the vowel. Karin. In American English, all R letters are pronounced. Car. Y. You. Beyond. W. We. Showing. A consonant cluster is when there are two or more consonant sounds next to each other. For example, st in first, or tr in train, or sks in the word tasks. The IPA will help you know what sounds to pronounce in consonant clusters. For example, in these words: executive and access. So that's all of the consonant sounds in English. Bye for now, and I'll see you soon for your next lesson.